Stop overpaying. Brainy Buyer's head-to-head comparison mean you save. Like what you see? Subscribe and fund the fight for honest reviews.
Okay, so we're looking at two super-automatic espresso machines, the Breville Oracle Touch, renewed, and the Café Affetto. Both are for making coffee at home, right?
Yep, exactly. Both aim to bring that barista-style experience to your kitchen. Let's dive into the details. The Breville, being renewed, sells itself on delivering third-wave specialty coffee. It's got a dual boiler so you can brew and steam milk at the same time.
Ah, simultaneous brewing and steaming. That's fancy. What about the Café Affetto? What does it bring to the table?
The Affetto boasts a one-touch brew feature. Basically, espresso, Americano, or hot water, with a single button press in under 90 seconds. It also syncs with the Smart HQ app for customization.
Smart HQ app? That sounds pretty modern. So they both have built-in grinders, right?
Correct. The Breville has a dose-control grinding system, automatically grinding, dosing, and tamping 22 grams. The Affetto has a stainless steel conical burr grinder with 5 grind size settings.
Okay, sounds like both are trying to make grinding easy. What about milk frothing? I'm a latte kind of guy.
The Breville has an automatic microfoam milk texturing steam wand. It cleans itself and promises barista-quality microfoam. The Affetto has a steam frother with a wand that rotates, and it includes a frothing pitcher.
Self-cleaning sounds good. Now what about size and capacity?
The Breville is a bit of a beast, weighing 37.3 pounds and dimensions of 14.7x, 14.5x, 17.6 inches. It has a 67 ounces water tank and a half-pound bean hopper. The Affetto is more compact at 19 pounds and 7.1, DX 16.1, WX 12.4, 8H. Its bean hopper holds about 6 ounces, and the water tank is 1.2 liters.
So, the Affetto is smaller. What about pressure? I hear that's important for espresso.
The Breville uses an overpressure valve to limit pump pressure and digital temperature control for optimal extraction. The Affetto pre-infuses beans and gradually increases pressure to 20 bars.
Right. And the big question, what are people saying in the reviews?
Well, the Breville only has 2 reviews and a 2.5 rating, which is not good. But the Café Affetto has 379 ratings and a 3.5-star rating.
Okay, well the Café Affetto is looking like the better choice overall. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.